Easy ICT bread and butter London setup. So actually this is a ICT London setup. I'm going to be teaching you how you can make a London setup, bread and butter London setup of no daily bias, nothing. All you just need to do is just you just need three things to do your analysis. So last week I did a video on that. And many people actually say, wow, they love the feedback I've gotten has been very marvelous. And like I said, this year must be no grief for anybody, so it has to be profitable. So now here is the the other time it was in New York. Today is going to be a London session setup. So like I said in the first video, I said you only need to do three things, just three things. You don't need to disturb yourself. Nothing. Don't disturb yourself, Kawai. Don't disturb yourself. So what you need is you just need your time frame. So go to your 15-minute time frame. So on your 15-minute time frame now, this is what you need to do. All right, so mark out your range. Now, so remember I told you your range, how you can identify your structure on the time frame that you have. So look at this now. So look at this. Meanwhile, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you stay updated each time I'm dropping a new content. So look at this. So here is my Here is my setup. Right, here is my setup. So I have this high. Right now, this low here took out this low here. So automatically this is my my low here. Now look at this high here. It takes out this high. So this is my my daily range. Right, so probably it was just it's just an expansion. So once I have a break in market structure there, so I have this break in market structure as I've imposed here. So what I need to do is just to measure my range. So I'll just take my So now how do I know the candle I'm going to use? So this is another break in market structure here. So this is my high. So I'll measure my daily range. So how do I measure that? So I'll just bring this down. So I just bring this down and I have my my rectangle. So here, from here to here, right, from here to here. So what do I do? So the moment I've taken that, now don't forget that this is my my range. Right, so let me just delete this. So now take attention to it. Let's go to to a lower time frame. Right, now this is, remember I said the premium and the and the discount. So let me bring this down here to signify my my discount. So my discount area, right, my discount area. So once I'm able to do this now, so I can then proceed. So what I'm looking for is, now the moment I'm here now, right, I've gotten this break in market structure. Now this break in market structure apparently aligned with my midpoint of my range. So once I get that, now I know that I'm in a discount area. So I'll just wait for my key zone. So I'll just go to a lower time frame. Remember I started from 1 minute time frame. So what I'll do is I'll just look out for my structure. I look out for my structure on lower time frame. So what I'll do is just look out for my structure on my lower time frame. Now this is my 1 minute time frame. Okay, let me make it a little bit simpler like this. Let me just try and demarcate this area. So since I have gotten this, right, don't forget that this is my, let me introduce another rectangle. So the rectangle I'm introducing now, I'm making it to be the midpoint of this. So let me change the color. No, this color is not good. So this call. Meanwhile, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do here to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you stay updated each time I'm dropping a new content. And if you actually want me to talk about anything, please drop in the comment section. Drop in the comment section what you want me to talk about. Okay. So let me use this. Wow, too bold. Okay, so this is my discount, right? This is my discount area. This is my discount area. Okay, so this is my discount area. Right, that is my discount area. Okay, let me translate this. It's going to work. Okay, so my daily range is this, right? So I have another rectangle here. Okay, so let me use this thing. This will be fine on it. Okay, perfect. So I have my range to be that. Okay, so that's my daily range. Right, so that's my daily range. That's my premium, my discount. Right, so that's my discount. So that's my discount area. So to make it more lovely, and let me extend it down here. So that's my that's my range, right? That's my range. That's my my range. So I've delineated it. So these are the things you face while analyzing with phone, right? Those are the things you face while analyzing with phone. So I'm not actually very close to my PC, so but I know what I'm looking for. I've done it several times on my PC, so I'm not really that. It's not really that hard for me. So that's my daily range. Right, so that's my premium and my discount. Right, that's my premium and my discount area. So okay, so perfect. So that's my premium and my discount area. So probably I should just extend this too, so that they will be the same thing. So that's my daily range. That's my daily range. So that's my daily range. So now I've gotten that, right? I've gotten that. So now don't forget now. So I've gotten this break in market structure here. Look at this is my high and my what? My low. Right? I've gotten that high and my low. So I can decide to expand this range here, right? Expand this range here. So if I'm expanding that range here, automatically now I would also expand this, right? So my premium and my what and my discount on my higher time frame. So the blue one, the yellow one now is my premium, right? The yellow one is my premium, right? So this is my premium and this is my discount area. So once I'm able to do that, I don't forget that I actually divided it. The upper one is my premium, this is my what, my discount. So since I had this break in market structure here, now I already know what I'm looking for. So I will just wait for my key zone. So don't forget that I've dropped a videos on key zone, right? London session key zone start by 7 o'clock a.m. to what, to 12 p.m. right? So now I'll just go down to a lower time frame, possibly my what, my 1 minute time frame, right? My 1 minute time frame. So on my 1 minute time frame now, what I need to do is I will just put down the look at the structure there. So on my 1 minute time frame now, you can actually see this now. Look at this. So I have this high here, it fails to break this what, this low here, but don't forget I already had this high here, right? So now look at this, is where your structures really comes in place. Now so I'll just check my structure. Look at this high here, this is my intermediate high here. I had a break in market structure here, right? I had a break in market structure. So once I had this break in market structure, right, now look at the time. This is where timing comes in place. Now I had this break in market structure here, that was 6:40. Don't forget that the reef is what, is 1 hour. We are and my current time zone is GMT +1 because I'm talking from Nigeria. So this 6:30, this 6:40 now is actually 7:40. That's what, I'm close to London station, which is starting by 8 o'clock. So once I get that, I'll just wait and see what the market has. So the moment I have this break in market structure by exactly 8 o'clock, I can decide to buy from here, right? I can decide to buy from here, right? Exactly here where I want a break in market structure, but it is not advisable. So I will wait for what, for a what, I will take my range again, premium and discount, premium and what, and discount. So from here now, I add my what, my premium here, my discount. So if I take the range of this, I know that here is going to be my what, my discount area. So at 8:30 I will look for what, so I'll wait for market to what, to retrace back to my what, to my discount area. So at this area here, I took my what, my entry here. I took my entry here. Let me show you, let me bring the cost here so that you can see. So that was exactly what, 7:23, which is 8:23. So I took that what, I took that trade there. So that is how you can frame your what, your setup, your bread and butter setup. You can actually see bread and what, bread and butter setup. So you can take the range of it. So I'm up for like 11 to 11 pips, right? I'm up on 11 pips. So with 0.5, that's over $5, right? And it's actually a stacking position, right? So that is how you tend to analyze the market. So wait for your what, for your London session key zone, right, to pull your trigger. Wait for your London session key zone to pull your trigger. So anywhere from now, I'm looking to what, to exist my position. So meanwhile, if you actually enjoyed this video and you still need more explanation, drop in the comment section that you need the what, the full video. See you